Hi everybody, welcome to Creative by Nature Art and Life. My name is Donna. Today I'm sharing a tutorial using some supplies that I received from In-Love Art Shops. I'll have the unboxing video listed down below as well as a project share video. Let's get into it. Okay, so I pre-cut everything already, but you'll need a blank card and I trimmed off the bottom. And then you will need this die cut border, and that is with this particular die. I will have the links to all the supplies that I use down in the description box for you as well. I'm going to be using this really pretty die cut circle, and look at the really pretty edge here. Isn't that nice? And that is from this die set, and it is from the second largest. And then I am going to be using these beautiful stickers. Now, I trimmed off the edge. You can see that here. Aren't they pretty? Love these so much. And that is from this collection. It's from the Natural collection, and this is what they all look like. They're kind of like a washi sticker. They're so, so pretty. So we're going to just piece this together. This is actually going to be a card for my mom. I had put this together once already and it was a complete fail. I really messed up on it, so I'm recording it again. And yeah, these things happen. I meant to get this done sooner, but things came up and I couldn't get to it. And then my husband and we went away. So yeah, anyways, getting it done now, just in time for my mom's birthday. So I'm just going to use some tape on the back and just a bit of wet. Actually, I'm going to use a glue stick. I've got this wet glue, but I've been having problems getting it out of the tube lately, so I think I just need to refill a new tube. So I'm going to add some glue. This is just the Dot brand glue stick. Add a bit to the back, and then I'm going to attach this to the front here. Now I'm going to add this border. Just going to place it at the bottom on this front edge. I'm now going to add my stickers. Now this is just going to be a really pretty simple card, and I just wanted to layer these, so I really like these stickers and I like to put them on white. It just really helps them to pop. Yeah, I love how this is looking. So just going to burnish them down with my bone folder. So I have these word stickers from Tim Holtz. They're called Small Talk, and I love using these. So I've just found some here that I wanted to add to the front. Wishing you all you're wishing for. Perfect for birthday card. So I'm just going to cut this so that it fits. So one thing I like to do is actually add some black pen around the edges of stuff like this. I really like how that looks. I think it's so sweet and so simple. And then you can put your sentiment on the inside. And I am actually going to add a really, really pretty decorative tape on the bottom here. So this is the tape. Again, I got this from In-Love Art Shop. I'll have it linked down below. And it's really, really, really pretty. It's like this pretty kind of lace. So I'm just going to add a strip of it just for something fun. This tape comes in lots of different colors too, so just for something a little fun in the middle. It's like a little surprise. Okay, so here it is. I just love the simplicity of this card. I think it's so pretty. I'll be putting a sentiment inside. Yeah, so I have one other card to quickly show you. So I made this one as well, again, using one of those washi stickers. And this die here is from this set here. Isn't it pretty? I added a bit of glitter paint onto it as well. And this washi sticker, I backed it onto some white cardstock. Again, added a little word sticker. And yeah, these were so easy to do. So let me know what you think down below. So I want to thank In Love Art Shop again for providing these supplies for me. I have to say, I think these stickers are my favorite. I love them so much, and these dies are gorgeous. So yeah, again, I'll have the links down below along with a discount code. I hope you're all doing well, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.